Hey guys, today we are going to solve the MCQs of the story The Palampur, Class 9 NCERT Economics Chapter 1। तो शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द मेन प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी इन पालमपुर विलेज। सो वहाँ का जो मेन एक्टिविटी था वो फार्मिंग का था। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल फार्मिंग करके ही अपना जीवन जीते थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ मेनी फैमिलीज आर देयर इन पालमपुर। सो वहाँ पर टोटल 450 फैमिलीज थी, जिसमें से मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल अपर क्लास थे और कुछ लोअर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, पालमपुर रिसेंबल्स अ विलेज ऑफ। तो इसका मतलब है पालमपुर कहाँ का विलेज था। तो पालमपुर वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश का एक विलेज था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच क्रॉप्स आर बेसिकली ग्रोन इन रेनी सीजन। रेनी सीजन में कौन से क्रॉप्स मेनली उगते हैं। तो ज्वार और बाजरा जो है वो मेनली कल्टिवेटेड होते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच क्रॉप इज़ अ रॉबी क्रॉप। राबी क्रॉप तो मेनली वीट ही होता है, तो इसका आंसर होगा वीट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, मनी इन हैंड इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ। सो इट इज़ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल। दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जाम्स। Question number 7, which is the most abundant factor of production? So labor is the most important and abundant factor of production. Question number 8, give one example of fixed capital. Tools and machines are one of the biggest example and important examples of fixed capital. Question number 9, what is the standard unit of measurement of land? So the standard unit is hectare. Question number 10, Bigga and Gunita are. So they are the measuring units of land area in village. Question number 11, 1 hectare equals to. So area of a square with one side measuring 100 meter each is known as the term hectare. Question number 12, multiple cropping refers to. So it refers to cultivating more than one crop on a single field each year. Question number 13, what is the most common way of increasing production? So the most important and easiest way is the multiple cropping. Question number 14, HYV seeds stand for. So its answer is high yielding variety seeds. Question number 15, give examples for modern farming method. Multiple cropping and usage of HYV seeds are the most common examples. Question number 16, modern farming methods were tried in India for the first time in. So it was tried for the first time in Punjab, Western Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Question number 17, which area in India has the lowest level of irrigation? So Deccan Plateau has the lowest level of irrigation. Important question it is. Question number 18, consumption of chemical fertilizers is highest in which state of India? So it is highest in the state Punjab. Question number 19, at present what is the percentage of the people who are engaged in rural area in non-farming activity? So it is very much less, it is only 24%.
Question number 20, what percentage of total land area is cultivated by medium and large farmers? So it is 36%. Question number 21, which thing transformed the system of irrigation in Palampur? So tube wells transformed the irrigation system. Question number 22, the use of high yield with combination of HYV seeds, irrigation, chemical fertilizer, pesticides, etc. refers to. So it refers to modern farming. Question number 23, a farmer who works on a piece of 1 hectare land is treated as. So he is treated as a small farmer. Question number 24, small farmers constitute about how much of the total Indian farmers? So they constitute a large number, which is 80%. Question number 25, out of the total cultivated areas in the country, how much area is irrigated today? So it is less than 40%. Question number 26, the minimum wages for a farm labor to set by a government is. So it is rupees 300. No one can keep a labor less than it. Question number 27, what percentage of the total land area is cultivated by medium and large farmers? So it is 55.6%. Question number 28, land under cultivation in India in the year 2014 was. So it was 155 million hectare. Question number 29, production of pulses in India during 2017 to 2018 was. So it was 24 million tons. Thank you guys for watching my video. That's the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.